something special today. We got the Subi up on jack stands and we are going to install a new exhaust. I got an Invidia N1 resonated Catback single exit and it is beautiful. I'm very excited to install it and we're going to take you for the ride. I'm still gonna cut it because it's tradition. Spicy, spicy.
Hold it up for us. Let's see these pipes.
Let's see these pipes.
Yeah! Lol.
Sheared the bolt off right down to the skivvies.
Yeah, sheared that one too.
Sheared that one too?
Yep, by hand.
By hand?
Yep.
That's funny because when you and I were...
Installed. A lot more tasteful than we thought it was going to be. It is not nearly as loud as Calvin thought it was going to be, and we ended up only breaking 2 bolts and we left the donut gasket on it, so yeah, she sounds pretty good, I'd say.
Bye.